Which crane is more suitable for your facility? Let's take a look at the differences between these two cranes. First, let's take a look at the structural differences between the two cranes. The LD single girder crane uses an I-beam box-type design, while the LDC single girder crane adopts a box-type structure welded from steel plates. LD cranes usually use CD1 or MD1 electric hoists, while LDC cranes use low-headroom electric hoists. The structural differences also result in a clear difference in lifting height between the two cranes. Next, let's look at a wastewater treatment plant upgrade case to see the differences more clearly. Given the cost concerns, the customer does not want to carry out large-scale modifications to the existing workshop. But, old 5-ton LD crane, max lift 3.46 m. New pump needs minimum 3.76 m. How can we meet the customer's requirements? We recommend the LDC Low-Headroom crane. It boosts lifting height by up to 480 mm without changing the building structure. Customer was very satisfied with this solution. However, the LDC Low-Headroom single girder crane is usually more expensive than the standard LD single girder crane. In this renovation project, although the workshop conditions are the same, the structural design and parameters of the two cranes will still affect the final price. The LDC is about 30% more expensive than the LD. However, compared with the substantial cost of modifying the workshop structure, the customer prefers choosing the LDC. So, how do you choose between these two cranes? If your project has sufficient space and relatively flexible lifting height requirements, the LD single girder overhead crane remains the most cost-effective choice. If your project has limited space or requires a higher lifting height, the LDC Low-Headroom single girder overhead crane is undoubtedly the optimal solution. It maximizes space utilization without affecting the workshop structure. Whether it's the LD or LDC crane, Kwangshan always focuses on customer needs, delivering tailored solutions through comprehensive analysis to meet every expectation.